Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on OPPO A78. So, first check volume during a call. You can do that by pressing the volume up and down button, but you need to do it during a call. Then go into the settings, sounds and vibration, and here remember to keep your volume not muted. Then disable the Bluetooth in the quick settings to rule out any connected devices. You can test a call with another app, for example WhatsApp, or just call to another person. And if it's still not working, then try to restart your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.